Unleash the power of food, a 30-day transformation. Hello, food lovers. Welcome to a journey that will change the way you think about food forever. Over the next 30 days, we will dive deep into the incredible benefits of eating whole, nutritious foods. Are you ready to unlock a healthier, happier you? Imagine waking up every day feeling energized and vibrant. Picture yourself enjoying meals that not only taste amazing, but also make you feel fantastic. It's time to embrace the incredible power of food. Food has the ability to heal, to nourish, and to transform. By making mindful choices, you can improve your overall well-being and live a more fulfilling life. Food is more than just fuel. It's a source of joy, a way to connect with loved ones, and a means to celebrate life. When you choose whole, unprocessed foods, you're giving your body the best possible tools to thrive. It's medicine for your body and mind. The right foods can boost your mood, enhance your mental clarity, and even help you manage stress. Imagine feeling more balanced and centered simply by changing what you eat. I'm challenging you to join me on a 30-day journey. Together, we'll explore new recipes, try different foods, and learn how to make healthier choices. This isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that can have lasting benefits. Let's transform our health, one delicious bite at a time. Each meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and soul. We'll focus on incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into our diets. This isn't about deprivation or complicated diets. It's about making simple, conscious choices to nourish your body. You don't have to give up your favorite foods. Instead, we'll find healthier alternatives that you'll love just as much. It's about making simple, conscious choices to nourish your body. Small changes can make a big difference. By choosing whole foods over processed ones, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to function at its best. We'll explore the wonderful world of whole foods, from vibrant fruits and vegetables to hearty grains and lean proteins. There's so much to discover. You'll learn how to create delicious, nutritious meals that you'll look forward to eating. Get ready to discover how amazing you can feel by making small changes to your plate. By the end of this 30-day journey, you'll have a new appreciation for the power of food and a healthier, happier you. Let's get started. Diet dilemmas, battling confusion and misinformation. Let's be honest, navigating the world of nutrition can feel like a minefield. Fad diets pop up everywhere, promising quick fixes. Conflicting information bombards us from all sides. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and unsure of what to eat. The truth is, healthy eating doesn't need to be complicated. Forget the restrictive diets and focus on real whole foods. It's about ditching the processed junk and embracing fresh, vibrant ingredients. We'll learn how to make healthier choices without sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. Fueling your body, the Fab Four: fruits, veggies, grains, and protein. Let's break it down to the basics. Our bodies thrive on a balanced combination of essential nutrients. Think of it as building a strong foundation for your health. First up, we have fruits and vegetables, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These colorful powerhouses boost immunity and protect against disease. Next, we have whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, providing slow-release energy and fiber. Finally, lean proteins such as fish, chicken, beans, and lentils help build and repair tissues and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Exploring dietary adventures, a world of choices. While the Fab Four provides a solid foundation, there's a whole world of dietary approaches to explore. Some people thrive on a plant-based diet, while others find a balance with lean meats. You might be curious about the carnivore diet, focusing primarily on animal products. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. It's all about finding what works best for your body, and don't be afraid to experiment and listen to your body's responses. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel, your energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being. It's an exciting journey of self-discovery. Holistic harmony, mind, body, and food as one. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the deep connection between what we eat, how we feel, and how we think. But when we take a step back and consider the bigger picture, we realize that our mind, body, and food are intricately linked in a delicate dance of balance and harmony. Food is more than just calories on a plate. It's a source of life, energy, and vitality. The nutrients we consume play a crucial role in how our bodies function, how our minds operate, and how our emotions flow. When we choose fresh, wholesome foods, we are not just feeding our bodies, we are nourishing our souls. It's a powerful tool that impacts our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Imagine sitting down to a meal that is not only delicious but also vibrant with colors and textures. Each bite is a celebration of nature's bounty, a testament to the earth's generosity. This is the essence of holistic eating. When we approach food holistically, we begin to understand its profound effects on our overall health. Mindful eating is key. It's about being present in the moment, fully engaging with the act of eating. This means turning off distractions, slowing down, and truly savoring each bite. By doing so, we can better appreciate the flavors, textures, and aromas of our food. It's about savoring each bite, appreciating the flavors, and being present with our food. This practice not only enhances our enjoyment of meals, but also helps us tune into our body's signals. We become more aware of our hunger and fullness cues, which can lead to healthier eating habits and better digestion. This practice helps us develop a healthier relationship with what we eat and understand our body's hunger and fullness cues. When we eat mindfully, we are more likely to make choices that support our well-being. We start to see food not just as fuel, but as a source of pleasure, connection, and healing. Furthermore, embracing a spiritual connection to food can deepen our appreciation for nourishment. This means recognizing the journey our food takes from the earth to our plates. It involves acknowledging the efforts of farmers, the cycles of nature, and the interconnectedness of all living things. By doing so, we cultivate a sense of gratitude and respect for the sustenance we receive. Giving thanks for our meals and acknowledging the source of our food fosters gratitude and respect for the earth and those who nourish us. This simple act of gratitude can transform our relationship with food, making each meal a moment of reflection and appreciation. It reminds us to honor the earth, cherish our health, and celebrate the joy of eating. My food power journey begins. Embracing the challenge. I'm excited to share my personal experience with this 30-day challenge. The first few days were all about resetting my habits. I cleared my pantry of processed snacks and stocked up on fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. I started my day with a vibrant smoothie packed with spinach, berries, and a scoop of plant-based protein powder. Lunch was a colorful salad with grilled chicken or chickpeas. Dinner was a delicious lentil soup or a veggie-packed stir-fry. The key was to keep things simple, tasty, and satisfying. Listen to your body food as a guide. Our bodies are incredible machines, constantly communicating with us through various signals. One of the most profound ways our bodies speak to us is through our relationship with food. By tuning into these signals, we can unlock a deeper understanding of our health and well-being. As the days turned into weeks, something amazing happened. I began to notice subtle changes in my body and mind. It was as if a fog had lifted, revealing a clearer, more vibrant version of myself. The transformation was gradual but undeniable. I started to feel different. There was a newfound sense of vitality and joy that permeated my daily life. Simple activities like walking in the park or stretching in the morning felt more invigorating and fulfilling. My energy levels soared, my mood lifted, and I felt lighter and more focused. It was as if I had tapped into a wellspring of natural energy that had been lying dormant within me. This newfound energy allowed me to engage more fully in my passions and connect more deeply with the people around me. By listening to my body's cues, I began to understand the profound connection between food and how I felt. Each meal became an opportunity to nourish not just my body, but also my mind and spirit. I started to see food as more than just sustenance. It became a source of healing and empowerment. I noticed that sugary treats made me sluggish, draining my energy and leaving me feeling lethargic. The temporary pleasure they provided was quickly overshadowed by the crash that followed, while processed foods left me feeling bloated and uninspired. These foods, often high in unhealthy fats and artificial ingredients, seemed to weigh me down both physically and mentally. They dulled my senses and sapped my motivation. On the other hand, whole, unprocessed foods nourished my body and mind. Fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provided a steady stream of energy and clarity. These foods felt like a gift to my body, enhancing my overall sense of well-being. It was a powerful reminder that food is information, and every bite we take sends a message to our cells. The quality of the food we consume directly impacts our physical health, mental clarity, and emotional balance. By choosing nourishing foods, we can positively influence our entire being, and every bite we take sends a message to our cells. This realization transformed my approach to eating. I began to eat more mindfully, savoring each bite and appreciating the nourishment it provided. Sharing healthy meals with friends and family became a joyful and meaningful experience, reinforcing the connection between food, health, and happiness. Join the food revolution. Share your story. This 30-day challenge is just the beginning. It's about igniting a passion for nourishing your body with the power of real food. It's about making conscious choices that support your health and well-being. I invite you to join the food revolution and experience the transformative power of food firsthand. Share your experiences, your favorite healthy recipes, and inspire others to join the movement. Let's create a community where we can learn from each other and empower one another to live healthier, happier lives. Remember, every small change matters. Together we can make a difference. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content.